kind of come in here, and you just kind of go on to bicep femoris here, you know, and all these different, you're trying to push it out of the way, trying to separate these bags. So I'm pushing down at a pretty good clip. So after you do that one, you work on all these in here. Let me get this drape a little better here so the camera can see it. But you take your flat fist here and you just kind of get in there, you know, to separate the bicep femoris and all these different semimembranosus and semitendinosus, and go in here. And you can even go into the adductors in there, you know, and just kind of get in there. I'm pushing down pretty good clip here, you know. This is deep tissue, you know, at its finest, you know. This is how's this feeling, Sheila?
It feels good. It's not too much.
Not too hard?
No.
Okay. Yeah, you don't want to. If your client is fighting you back, it's going to make your work a lot harder. So you want to make sure that they're comfortable in all aspects of your massage. Get all this tissue to roll back to the middle, separating the bags of the fascia. It's kind of cross friction. So you're moving the leg, medial to lateral. And when you find something in there that's tight, stay right there. Sink in, and let gravity take